Really enjoy flying my drones, but I didn't want to invest completely in one company, so I decided to try out this Holy Stone. This one is their HS369E model, so this is their GPS model. Really looking forward to this one. I have another Holy Stone, but it is not as deluxe as this one. This is going to be my most fancy Holy Stone so far. So this one has a 4K camera. Obviously a nice case, very compact, and this is everything, so this means you can carry everything with you. You've got your manual, you've got a strap, you've got extra blades, that kind of thing up top where you're not going to need them very often. Then you've got your battery charger. Look how small that is. Clips right onto the batteries. You got the drone itself. Cover over the gimbal. Looks like we pull that off from the bottom. Super easy to bring into play. Drop that battery in to position and turn it on. Get the indication that you're good to go. I really like the control on this one a lot. The power button. It's giving us a battery indicator. We've got the joysticks underneath, but I actually prefer to run them without the joystick. Once you're connected, it's going to connect with GPS, and that's what's really awesome about this one. Now you can connect your phone and hold it up top here. You've got your different buttons, your controls. You've got a couple of dials up front here, and once they're connected, you're ready to fly. I'm in an area where I can't fly here, so I'm not going to be able to fly this one around, but I'm looking forward to taking this one out. This is the HS360E with the GPS from Holy Stone. Hope this helps. Look at this one. It's pretty cool. I like how fast it goes into play, and I like that it's got the GPS.